Patent considerations for 3D printing in architecture. 3D printing in architecture uses technology to create building components and structures, offering customizable designs, rapid prototyping, and complex geometries. It enhances design flexibility, reduces waste, and speeds up construction. Key patentable areas include innovative building materials, methods for constructing architectural elements, and unique design approaches for integrating 3D printed components. Pre-patent steps: conduct a thorough patent search, perform market and feasibility research, and ensure your innovation meets patentability criteria: new, non-obvious, and useful. Utility patents protect how an invention works, offering 20 years of protection. Design patents cover how the invention looks, providing 15 years of protection. For full coverage of both function and appearance, consider pursuing both types of patents. To craft a robust patent application, work with an experienced patent attorney. Write clear, strategic claims to protect key aspects of your invention, and include detailed illustrations to enhance clarity and understanding. Contact us today to streamline your patent process and safeguard your innovations.